welcome back to All Star Family.
And today we'll be watching the cutest puppies on TikTok.
Yay! My favorite is Puppy. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Look at that tiny dog, Jennifer. Uh-oh, that dog was like almost flying to the sky. Catch him. Look how many balloons is it on the dog.
Oh yeah, you catch him. Now you're getting a big
About like 20 balloons.
Hey guys, how much balloons does it take to make your dog fly?
Yeah, comment down below, okay? I'm so glad that you catch me.
Yeah.
Oh, puppies.
Little puppies. Little puppies.
Little puppy, cute little puppy. Oh, look at those puppies. Enjoying their nap, like right, Jennifer?
Yeah, these were hammocks.
Oh, they're so cute. They must have a good nap, right, Jennifer?
I think they're all. I think they're triplets.
Yeah. So many of them.
So many.
Oh my God, look at that. Oh,
So pretty.
it's time for a bath. Wash it. Brush. Oh my God, look at that.
Oh
Oh,
my god. It's an extreme makeover.
look like a cotton ball. Oh. Uh-oh. He's fall off. Hey, friend, help me get up. I can't. I don't know how to get down. Okay, I'll wait for you. 2,000 years later.
Lovable, cut, cute. I enjoy when you rub my tummy. I love treats cause they are so yummy. I'm your buddy. Yeah, I'm a puppy.
Yeah. Oh my God, look at this guy has so many puppies. Tiny one. So no matter what she does, like the dog is still sleeping. Oh, like, okay, we care. Just do whatever you want to do. Is that cute, Jennifer? Oh my, and look how the way he crosses his leg like that. Oh my God.
Wait.
Oh, is that a cutie one?
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog.
Oh. Picnic time.
Yeah.
What is that dog trying to do,
I
Jennifer?
think he's bringing his blanket to picnic time. That's his blanket right there. He sits on the blanket.
Oh, wow. Such a responsible dog, right? Do it all on my own.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, how long do you think that dog gonna take to get that
Maybe
thing?
like 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Look at this. Taking a
You wanna help him?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at this one. Adorable one. Look at that legs. Cutie legs right there. Oh my God, that's small dog.
Swimming. It's paddling.
You think that dog know how to swim? Guy, do you think that dog know how to swim? Comment down below, okay? Oh, here's another movie about dog with balloons. That is so cute. Oh my God, another one.
It's the giant of the city.
like a giant dog and then like on the whole city, right? Devon? Oh my
It
god.
fits perfectly.
Oh. That is so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Okay, let's sit down then.
Oh, what is waving to us?
Oh my god, one is getting out. So they are so tiny that even a sit bear cannot sit bear them, right, Devon? The most convincing puppy ever.
They clearly don't fit in that bed.
Aww.
Go to sleep.
So what is the puppy trying to convince Jennifer?
He's trying to make the owner go sleep with him.
Oh really? Okay.
And then she doesn't fit.
That's what you wanted? You crazy.
Okay.
Pick one out.
Oh, he's trying. What he do? He's trying to find his toys.
Oh.
Yeah, he's trying to find his toys. Just like you when you go to Target, Walmart, and you're trying to find a toy all by yourself. Remember, you pick out a fluffy, stuffy animal.
What do you think?
Oh, he found one. Okay, he found 2. Oh, nice. Good job.
Yay.
Betty, what do you think? Good toy?
Good toy.
Good job.
Oh my god, look at that huge one. We also showed you guys that huge one. Look at this huge doll.
It's a pillow.
Watermelon fit perfectly into his
What
face.
a superhero!
Yay.
You are my honey bun sugar plum.
Oh, that's it. Make that tiny dog become like fluffy hair. Right?
Sweetie pie.
Aww. Okay.
My puppy, yep.
Like it, Jennifer? Just could stop watching this dog, right? It's like, how is that so cute? It fit right into your hand. It's tiny, tiny like this. And licking it. Oh my god. I love the lollipop too. What are you trying to do to my dog?
I want a puppy like that. Oh, there's 2 of them.
But how come she only give the candy to one of them?
I think the other one didn't want it. Oh my god, it's even tinier.
Okay guys, that's all for today's video. We hope you really enjoying this video like the other one.
Please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.
And don't forget to share with your friends and family. See you real soon.
Bye.